guys, so it's the start of our travel for the day. We are leaving the area of Vik, and we are going up the coast, and we are sleeping in the town of Hofn, Hofn, I believe it's called. And on the way, we'll be stopping at a waterfall, a mountain, and then a few other little places. And then for sunset tonight, we are going to be taking photos of the Diamond Beach, it's called, which is like icebergs on the beach. So yeah, so it's time to head out. It's time to check out of this hotel, and then I'll talk to you guys at our next spot. So guys, we are here at, I want to say it's Lómagnúpur, something like that. I'll put the name on the screen like always here in Iceland. It's basically just this epic mountain. You kind of just drive past it on the main ring road here, and you don't really notice it. I mean, like, well, of course you notice it, but nobody really stops to take photos of it because it's just another like random mountain. But from this angle, it looks like a single standalone mountain, but it's kind of like a peninsula of a plateau. Like, it's a plateau that comes out into this really flat open area. So if you get a certain angle of it, it looks like a single standalone mountain. So right now, it's raining a little bit, it's windy, it's a little cold, but I'm gonna try to walk around and find some compositions of the mountain. So I'll show you guys those photos in a little bit. Okay, so I just wanted to talk you guys through my composition here. So basically, I found a reflection of the mountain, and I've got my camera set up with the reflection, and I have a 6-stop ND filter to get a long exposure so I can get some drama in the clouds and then smooth out the ripples of the puddle here. And then I have a 2-stop graduated ND filter because the sky is kind of bright behind it, so I want to, you know, get some more contrast in the clouds. So that's the shot that I got set up here, and I'll show you guys that now, and then we'll continue on until we stop again, I guess. Have a little bit of a change of plans. Basically, we're gonna stop at the Diamond Beach slash Iceberg Beach for sunset tonight, but basically we are tired and we wanted to sleep, so we were gonna come here to our Airbnb, which is actually just a guest house. I think you can reserve it as a, like, on Expedia or another travel site, whatever. Also, it's not just Airbnb. So we're gonna come here. It's in the town of Hofn, and sleep and then drive back down to the iceberg beach, but it's like an hour south of us, so it's kind of out of the way to go back down there, and I'm not really that fussed about missing out those photos. So what we're gonna do is just sleep here and then you know, capture the sunset tonight pretty well here at Fjadrargljufur. So that's gonna be the end of today's video, and yeah, that's about it, guys. So I'll talk to you in the next video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, all that fun stuff, and comment down below what's your favorite photo from today's video. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys next week.